$2? I don't got $2 on me, but yeah, take one of these.
Thank you.
You about to do an interview, bro?
Yeah, don't.
Thanks for the free pop yesterday.
You're welcome, man. Yo, Uzi. I ain't give you one, man. I just want to make sure you get one of these. And the man's behind you. Yo, my God. Yeah, I just want to make sure you get one of these, dog. Yeah, it's hot out here, bro. You okay, man? Now, this is what I don't understand. How in the world did their backs get like this? These people can't stand straight up. You know, this strength is taking a toll on our fellow Americans. And right now, our government needs to do something as soon as possible. Yeah, you know that. You all right? No, your hands in the water. Excuse me, miss. Before y'all do anything, there you go. Here you go, man. Look like you needed that. Hello. You okay? No? Would you like one of these? I'll help you out. No, you don't want one? It's icy pop. Take it. Take it. Enjoy your day. Here you go, man.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So have a nice day.
Oh, I am now.
You want one, Brody?
I'm good, bro.
You good. Take it. Here you go, miss. Oh, my God. Here you go, miss.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Like one second.
Thank you, man. I appreciate you.
Excuse me, miss. You okay? All right, I was just checking on you. Would you like one of these?
Thank you.
I already know, fellas. I know, my boy.
Thank you.
God bless.
Thank you.
Hey, man. You out there.
Oh, wow. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. I'm a dollar.
Está bien, bro. Thank you. My boy here is knocked out. Yo, my God. Yo, my God. You okay? No? I just want to make sure I leave this with you, bro.
Yes, bro.
Just in case. He's alright, right? You gotta get in better shape, bro. You can't lay in that position. You're gonna be hurting when you get up. Ain't he gonna be hurting when he get up? Bro, you got one of these already? There you go. You're already. You dropped your hit. Yo, what's good with y'all?
What's good, bro?
Y'all like one of these?
Sure, that's very nice. I'm good. Thank you.
Huh? Yeah, might as well. Hey, appreciate you, bro. Hey, miss, you like one of these?
Oh, love them.
Yeah, how about you, bro?
So I feel like that's probably like what it is, I guess. But
Oh, it's hot out here, guys.
God, he loves you, like no matter what. You know?
Yeah, thank
Pretty
you.
tall.
I'm 5'10", thank you.
Yeah.
Hey, my guy. Drop this in there for you. You already? Hey, my guy, you all right? Scare me for a second here. Take one of these. There you go. Oh, my boy over there. Yo, brozy. I was just trying to make sure you was all right, man. You gotta stay cold, man. Keep that drink, that ice pop in you. You're welcome.
You have a lot of pain. You know what? One thing, bro, that would help with that, though. He was doing the impossible.
You okay?
You guys don't talk about that.
Trying to get one of these ice pops for you. There you go, my guy.
Thanks, bro.
You all ready?
Yeah, we're right there. So allowing us to meet with Jesus.
Oh, sorry about you. Go ahead, bro.
Thank you.
You go, man.
Okay.